What is happening, guys? Good morning, everyone. You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you guys 10 things you need to be doing to get ready for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Green Monday, and really the entire holiday season. Got a few minutes to kill on my way to Dunkin' Donuts here this morning. You know, it's 44 degrees. There's actually, there's a chill in the air. You can tell summer is gone, and, the holiday season is upon us. Like I said, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 tips, 10 things you need to do to prepare for Black Friday. Before we get into that, I just wanted to throw out just some kind of like more general stuff or random kind of statistics. So people are expecting a bigger Black Friday here in 2019 than last year in 2018. Last year, e-commerce during the holiday season, Black Friday, kind of, they always give a sales stat to Black Friday. It was actually down 9% over 2017. So people are expecting a better Black Friday, better holiday season for retail here in 2019. If you have not started, you are behind the 8 ball. One thing I really like, there's a lot of Shopify apps and marketing agencies kind of geared towards Shopify. Sign up for a lot of their emails here as we get into the holiday season, and really for the past couple months. I've seen a lot of them have been sending out surveys to their customers to fill out, like, have you started your Black Friday planning? What kind of deals are you planning on offering? Are you going to do like free shipping, a percentage off, a dollar amount off? And then they kind of compile all of this into like a case study or a survey, and they send this out to kind of everybody on their email list. So there's some great gems, some great pieces of wisdom in there. I've been getting a lot of those emails, which is kind of where some of these stats are going to come from. But by July, 60% of businesses had started preparing for Black Friday. By August, 89% of businesses had started preparing for Black Friday. So if you are not preparing for Black Friday, you're behind the 8 ball. You better get started. Now, obviously, a lot of these brands surveyed are like larger brands with marketing teams and marketing budgets. I'm sure a lot of people are like, what am I going to do for like 3 months to get ready? Like, I'm going to send out one email on Black Friday in the morning. Like, I think you should be doing more than that. More people than ever are getting into e-commerce. There's more new Shopify stores popping up than ever before. If your business has not been in business for over a year, this is going to be your first Black Friday. And if you've never been on kind of the merchant end of things for a Black Friday, there may be a lot of things that you should be doing that you just don't even know that you should be doing. So that's what we're going to be covering in this video. I'm going to try to tear through this stuff pretty quickly, but number one is going to be making a collection page. Set up a collection page for your Black Friday sales. One thing I would recommend is don't delete the page at the end of the holiday season. Turn the page off, redirect it to your home page or something like that. But then when next year, 2020 Black Friday rolls around, bring that page back, change it from 2019 Black Friday sales to 2020 Black Friday sales, and that page is already going to be indexed and already have some rank in Google. I would suggest on your collection page, write something about, this is our Black Friday sale, save money on fishing poles and lures and, whatever it is you sell. But there are people out there who are searching for Black Friday deals on paddle boards, Black Friday deals on protein powder, Black Friday deals on supplements, Black Friday deals on video games. And by having that page set up, hopefully you're going to rank for that. In addition to, I'm kind of cramming two things into one here, but in addition to having your collection page set up, most of you guys are probably using a Shopify theme with the scrolling banners. Start getting some banners ready so that you can open those up on Black Friday or Thanksgiving or whatever and kind of highlight whatever sales you're having. Number two is decide on your sales. Decide on what type of sales you want to offer, and also figure out how you're going to implement those sales. Do you want to do a BOGO deal, a buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one 100% off? How are you going to set up these deals? So Shopify has native discounts built in. You can offer as many promo code discounts as you want, but as far as automatic discounts, I believe Shopify only allows one automatic discount at a time. So if you wanted to offer 10% off your collection of backpacks, and you also wanted to offer a BOGO deal on fanny packs, and you didn't want to use promo codes, Shopify will only let you run one of those two deals. So an app that I love and hate is Ultimate Special Offers. It's a great app. You can do all types of sales. Spend $70, get a free gift, BOGO offer, save on a collection, tons of stuff you can do with this app. The downside to it is it can get kind of glitchy. I mean, we have a kind of an especially large store, and so that kind of goofs up the app a little bit. It can be glitchy, but it's the best app that I found out there for deals thus far. So figure out what type of deals you want to offer, and how you're actually going to make those deals happen, how you're actually going to integrate them. Number 3, get started on your emails. This is not just another weekend sale. This is not just another weekend email. This is, probably the best time of year for you to be making money. This is the time of year when everybody is shopping. And so, don't treat this as just like any other email. This is a big day. Put some effort in your emails. Black Friday is no longer just a one-day event. It's pretty much like the Thursday before, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, running all the way to Cyber Monday, and then you have Green Monday, which is, I think, the first or second Monday in October. Depending on whose stats you go off of, that's actually a bigger sales day than Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So number 3, get started on your emails. Number 4, clean up your email list. We all like having these large email lists, but if only 3% of your email list is engaged, you're paying all this money to send emails to these people or to have these people on your list who aren't even engaged. It's hurting your open rates, it's hurting your click-through rates, and that's actually hurting your deliverability rates. So something you can do right now for the next week or two, send out a couple really good sales. If somebody doesn't at the very least open them or click them, go ahead and suppress them from your list, take them off your list. You can also start suppressing your list. Anybody who hasn't opened the last 3 emails, suppress them, just get them off the list. There's no point to having a big list if nobody on that list is engaged. So that was number 4, clean up your email list. Number 5, grow your push notification and SMS list. It's a little bit late in the year to be doing this, but everybody should be doing SMS marketing as well as push notification marketing. You're probably not going to grow a huge list between now and Christmas, but it's something that you should be doing anyways, so might as well get started now. Whatever list you build up between now and then, it will help for Black Friday and kind of the whole holiday season here. Number 6, start building your social media calendar, start getting some of your graphics ready, start coordinating some of those social media posts with some of your holiday sales, and just do some fun kind of holiday stuff as well, some cutesy stuff as well. If you use an app like Sendable or Sprout Social or Social Pilot or any of the others, you can start planning all this and have it all ready to schedule, so that's one less thing that you got to worry about. Number 7, submit your site and your products to holiday gift guides. This time of year, the 10 best Christmas presents to get your mother, the 10 best Christmas presents to get your dad, the 10 best Christmas presents to get your boyfriend, 5 blenders under $50, 5 fitness books under $20. All these types of lists are coming out. Look for sites that do these type of lists. Submit your site and submit your products to them. Also, if any of you guys are on Haro, help a reporter out. Right now, half of fucking Haro is, looking for submissions for my holiday gift guide. So start submitting your thing. All these people who are out there looking for gift ideas are going to be presented with your items. Number 8, stock up on inventory. Nothing worse than having a holiday rush of sales and you don't have inventory and you're 2 weeks out or 30 days out from getting more inventory. Make sure you're fully stocked with inventory for the holiday season. Number 9, fine-tune your abandoned carts. Hopefully Black Friday you should have more traffic and more people visiting your store than almost any other time of year. So why not capitalize on that? A lot of people have the Shopify abandoned cart kind of default setup that automatically sends the email. Make sure that email is sending a message that you like that's going to capture people back. If you want to offer a coupon code, create a discount code and have it send that out to people. If you're doing SMS marketing, Facebook Messenger marketing, or push notification marketing, definitely make sure that that's tied into your abandoned carts. Retention Rocket is kind of a cool app that does that, although it's a little bit pricey. If anybody has any other suggestions, go ahead and drop those in the comment section below. But basically, we want to try to capture as many of those abandoned carts as possible. With my previous e-commerce store, we were capturing like 26% of abandoned carts, which brings in a ton of money. So that's really a good thing to do. And then kind of fine-tune, and number 10, fine-tune and turn up your Google shopping. A lot of people are going to be searching for things on Google, holiday gifts and items to buy for people. And, if you're on Google Shopping, you're going to appear, kind of right front and center in people's search results. So those are 10 things that you want to do to prepare for Black Friday. If this is your first Black Friday, I know I didn't go into a ton of depth in terms of how to do each one of these things. Each one of these things could be made into a full-length video on its own, plus a lot of it's going to vary depending on on a type of business that you're running. But I think this is kind of a rough guideline to give you some idea what you should be focusing on and what you should be doing going into Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Green Monday. I think I kind of forgot to do a couple things at the beginning. Like I said, people are expecting Black Friday to be bigger than the previous year. People are pretty optimistic for this Black Friday. Most e-com businesses have already started working on their Black Friday stuff. And Black Friday is really no longer treated as a one-day event. You know, Black Friday is like a 6-day event now, and a lot of people are treating pretty much the entire holiday season as one big sale. As far as like the methods people are using to drive traffic or make people aware of their sales, far and away, according to every survey I've seen, email is number one. You know, that's why email lists are so important. Number two was display ads, which would be like Google Shopping or Google Ads. Number three was like social media marketing or social media ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. And then oddly enough, the next ones were kind of more for retailers. It was kind of like flyers, mailers, print media. And then after that, you had like SMS and push. But hopefully this helps you guys get started. You have any questions, comments, any advice you're willing to share, drop it below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. And perfect time. We're pulling up to Dunkin' Donuts here. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.